That was horrible.
No.
Anyway,
Oh.
we are putting the Camaro back together. Finally, today, we put the new 60 mil Wastegates onto our little Up Pipes 90s eBay special right here that we added parts to, and what we're gonna put it on. It's been a good about what, 2 months or so? Yeah, about 2 months. So the car's been down, so no, about 3 months before I went to Houston. So,
yeah.
Anyway, we're gonna put it back together now. We got it all cleaned up in there. It's not nice. It's all nice and clean. So yeah, let's put it back together.
Nice.
All right, so yeah, like I said, we got the 60 mil Wastegates, and this one is already somewhat mounted, but that thing is freaking huge.
Yeah,
look at the size of that
thing. Should I go
thing.
get the small one so we can like test just
yeah.
to see how big
Dude,
that
they're
one is?
freaking massive.
What?
That's crazy. All right, boys. We're putting on, well, boys and girls. My bad. Yeah. I think this one's.
Yeah. That's the one for that side.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
Maybe. I don't know.
We'll figure it out.
Putting the first turbo on.
Where's the gasket? I don't feel it. It's on the turbo. Put it in the lock.
Like any little shit.
All right, so here's some size reference of the old Wastegates right here. See how tiny they are? Well, I mean, they look big for someone that doesn't know, but the new Wastegate, the size of clamp is this size versus that one. Look at that. It is freaking ginormous. And look at this new one.
Let's put them next to each other.
Look at the difference between a 38 millimeter versus a 60 mil size reference. Yeah, I say we're upgrading just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
The tops don't look that different.
No,
it's only
it's
the
this.
gate itself.
The gate itself is huge.
Yep.
Anyway.
All right, so this thing is back together, and well, we still gotta put a belt on, but it looks like a car again, finally.
I put this wastegate facing this way just
So it doesn't burn.
so it doesn't burn anything right now, but we just gotta adjust it.
Well, there's a line touching right on it.
Line.
Yes. This is
Yeah,
right
it can touch the cap. That's okay.
Oh, okay.
Right
They
here,
can't touch
exhaust is gonna come
Yeah,
out of
you
there.
don't want to touch the exhaust, that's for sure.
And then we got what else?
All right, one more clamp to tighten too. Here, Justin, hold this real fast. I gotta tighten this clamp. Oh no. Where's that little impact that you just had? You have that?
Here.
Done. And I gotta put the belt back on. Perfect. All right, so now it's fully back together with the new Wastegates. We don't have no downpipes for the Wastegates, but we're gonna try to start it. It's been sitting here for like 4 months. Let's see if the battery still has some juice. Here you go, Justin.
Yeah.
Wait, hold on. Alright, you can start it.
Nah, should start. Hopefully. It's about to be loud. Two-step attempt.
It's building 8, well I'm not gonna do it again because the trans is probably hot, but it just built 8 pounds on the brake by itself.
8 pounds?
I used to have to freaking press nitrous to hit 8 pounds. Know that.
Oh yeah, it's back there. I got you.
Got it?
Hold on, let me go in the passenger. Alright, I'm on your shit.
Ready? Now it didn't do it.
Go! Something's burning on there. Oh, that's oil.
Ooh. Alright, hold on. The fucking oil line's burnt. Let me see.
Cool.
Oh shit. Shit. Alright, cool deal. Well,
And God, we tested it here, not on the track, huh?
I pulled it out. Pulled it away. God damn it.
Well, we'll be right back.